Your Galaxy A55 can provide a gentle yet effective wake-up call with a customizable alarm sound. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to personalize your alarm for a better start to your day. First, open the app drawer, find the clock app, and tap on it. Ensure that the alarm tab is selected at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on the alarm you want to change the sound for. On the next screen, tap on Alarm Sound. Make sure the switch next to it is enabled. Here, you have several options. Tap Bixby Alarm if you want Bixby to read out the current time and weather forecast. Tap Spotify if you want to play music from Spotify, or choose another music app to play your favorite track. Tap Ringtone to select from the default ringtone sounds. To adjust the volume of the alarm, drag the slider at the bottom of the screen. Move it to the right to increase the volume, or to the left to decrease it. You can apply these settings to other alarms as well. If you want your phone to vibrate along with the alarm sound, go back to the previous screen and tap the switch next to vibration to enable it. You can also enable the snooze function and set the interval to get a few more minutes of sleep before the alarm sounds again. And that's it. With these steps, you can customize your alarm on the Galaxy A55 for a more pleasant wake-up experience. Have a great day.